Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be a nice spicy cucumber salad from Maharashtra. It's known as Khamang Kakdi. It's got all the Indian flavors, spices, green chilies and crunchy roasted peanuts added to it. I really love this salad a lot. I'm sure you're also going to like it. So let's go head to the kitchen to make this salad. Take 2 cucumbers or as required. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. 3 to 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves. 1 or 2 green chilies as you like. Handful of roasted peanuts crushed coarsely. Little bit of sugar or 1 teaspoon of honey you can use. Salt as required. Now for tempering, half teaspoon each of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Few curry leaves. Little bit of oil, about 1 teaspoon. And half a lime. Squeeze out the juice from half a lime. Now wash the cucumbers very well. Since the skin is tender, you may use it along with the skin. But make sure if you are using with the skin, wash it well and wipe it dry. But I like to peel them, especially these days we have to be very careful. So I'm avoiding eating the skin of fruits and vegetables. Peel the skin and then cut into very tiny pieces. Some people also use grated, but I prefer this way. Grated becomes mushy. So cut it into very small pieces. This salad is really very delicious, spicy, and you can adjust the spice level according to your preference. So the same way you peel and cut the other cucumber as well. So the cucumber is done. Take a mixing bowl. Larger bowl, it's easier to mix, so transfer the cucumber into the larger bowl. Add the coriander leaves. And the coconut. You can increase the quantity of coconut if you like. And little bit of sugar. Using about half teaspoon, you can use 1 teaspoon of honey instead. And salt as required. Green chilies. I've taken 2. I'm using 1 now. 1 I'll be adding to the tempering. You can add more if you like. Mix everything nicely together. Squeeze out the lemon juice. Give it a good stir so that everything gets mixed properly. Check the salt. You can add if you require. Now finally you add the roasted and crushed peanuts. If you want to add them full without crushing, you can also do that. It's better to serve the salad immediately after adding the peanuts and then the tempering, so that the crunchiness is not gone. Usually we prepare the salad just before serving. Now heat the oil in a small pan. Add the cumin and mustard seeds. You can cover it with a lid because they pop up. Once they are done, add the curry leaves, and if you wish you can add one green chili at this stage because the oil gets the flavors of the chilies and mixes well with the salad. You can skip if you don't like adding chili now because it makes it really very spicy. You can even skip the curry leaves and the chili part if you don't like them. Stir it into the salad and mix everything nicely. Now better to serve it immediately. If you leave it for a little while, you will see the water comes out because of the salt content. It hardly takes 5 minutes, so we can prepare it just before serving. Dish it out into a bowl. So this salad is really very nice, spicy, crunchy and delicious. I really love it. I'm sure you are also going to like it a lot. Do give it a try. And if you like the recipe, you can share the video with your friends. Also share the feedback in the comment box. Hope you are liking my videos, dear friends. And those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Now the salad is ready to be served. Delicious Khamang Kakdi, the Maharashtrian spicy salad. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more recipes. Friends, check out these videos also. You may like them. You might have missed watching them.